Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015 on a 65 plate Citroen Berlingo multi-space VTR. This is the 1.6 turbo diesel wheelchair access vehicle with a 5-speed manual gearbox, 5 doors and 3 seats, finished in Kyanos blue metallic, and it's covered just 40,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very nice low mileage Berlingo multi-space wheelchair accessible vehicle. September 2015 registered, just arrived with us as a part exchange from a local gentleman who's the second owner, so it's just a 2-owner car. Recent new tyres all round, just ticked 40,000 miles, really good service history, 8 stamps in the book right the way through its life, so really well maintained mechanically, very good condition throughout, especially for a car of this nature. It really looks the part in the Kyanos blue, nice metallic, 90 brake horsepower, 5-speed manual gearbox, over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. So it's got a TBC conversions ramp at the back, which we'll come to shortly. Obviously sliding rear doors, nice low insurance group, very economical to run. Really nice looking car, and obviously ever so useful, not just if you need it for wheelchair access, but of course if you're a gardener or a golfer or need it as a van stroke car. It ticks a lot of boxes. Interior is very nice and tidy. Remote central locking, it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Door cards are in good condition. It's got its carpet mats, electronically adjustable door mirrors, there's your 2 keys. Steering wheel's in really good shape. You've got some radio controls down below. 40,000 miles, literally just ticked 40,000. If the lights are flashing in the video, they're not flashing in real life, so that's just on the video, they're not blinking at all. Manual handbrake, couple of cup holders down below, bit of storage down there. 5-speed manual gearbox, and then across to your sort of infotainment display, you've got electric front windows, air conditioning, FM and AM radio with a CD, and as you can see from the fuel gauge, 410 miles of fuel left in it as well. Storage up above, you've got your handbooks up there as well. You'll always find we've got a wheelchair access vehicle in stock, just really popular with us. So it's got 1 seat in the rear, which is an ISOFIX as well. Really nice and clean and tidy. You've got some storage under those little cubby holes. Obviously the sliding doors help for access and so on. And then as we come round to the back of the car, big old boot space comes up, can drop the ramp. Shows how easy it is to do if I can do it with my phone in my hand. So seatbelt there, a couple of buckles, hasn't got a winch, but obviously with the button there, really easy to use. It's carpeted in the back as well. Nice and clean and tidy, it's not had a hard life whatsoever, this one. And there we have it, September 2015 Citroen Berlingo multi-space VTR, wheelchair access, 40,000 miles, 2 owners, 8 services, excellent fuel consumption, really good value, locally owned WAV. Finance is available from less than £150 a month, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really good value, always popular. I'm sure this will be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.